Valentine's Day has social media divided after two very different love moves made headlines. On one side, Naledi appears seemingly embraced at the self-love era, treating herself to flowers and even a brand new car, a bold statement that says, "If I want it, I will get it myself." On the other side, Mawalele chose to publicly celebrate his girlfriend, showing her off and making it clear that romance is still alive. Now the internet is asking the big question: which move hits harder, self-celebration or spoiling your partner? Some fans say Naledi is defining independence and raising the bar, while others believe Mawalele's gesture reflects traditional love and appreciation. Either way, both stars managed to trend, turning Valentine's Day into a full-blown debate about modern relationships, standards, and what love really looks like in 2026. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.